In this lecture, we will learn about XOR process and how to implement it in Python. XOR is another process that we can use to encrypt data. When we perform XOR encryption, the ciphertext is hard to decrypt using brute force. First, we choose a key, like a letter in the alphabet. Then we XOR the characters in the message with the key. This combines the knowledge that we learned in two previous sections, bitwise operations and character encodings. Remember that XOR is a way to manipulate bits of data, zeros and ones, and that thanks to character encoding, we know that characters are a certain distance from other characters on the ASCII and Unicode character tables. Using this knowledge, we can perform an XOR on a message using a key, and then perform the XOR again to decrypt the message from the ciphertext. Since the XOR handles both encryption and decryption, we can create a function named encrypt and decrypt that takes in one parameter, message. Inside of this function, we will create a variable named key and set it equal to L. Next, we will create a variable named length and set it equal to len with the message passed in. After that, we will have a for loop for I in range length. Inside of the for loop, we will set message equal to the message sliced up to index I, and then XOR the message character with the key, and then convert that to the character. After that, we will print out message at I, and use end equals empty string to prevent the print statement from printing each character to a new line, opting to print each character of the message on the same line. At the end of the function, outside of the for loop, we will return message. Time to test our code. Let's create a variable named example string and set it equal to the string hello world. Then we will print out encrypted string and then set example string to a call to encrypt and decrypt with example string passed in. After that, we will print a new line. Then we will print out decrypted string and then call encrypt and decrypt on our string. When we run the code, you will notice that the string was encrypted into ciphertext and then decrypted back into the original message, thanks to the XOR process. In the next lecture, we will learn about the affine cipher and how to implement it in Python.